Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to strip down a pneumatic motor unit on a vacuum. This could be NRV 200, 370. There's a motor unit with this style of switching on the back. Normally it would have a high-low here, that's blanked off. This one's just got an on-off single speed. This one's a numatic, as you see here, a numatic. And this one is from 2013 and the model number is VNR200-2. Safety first, always unplug the machine from the mains. I'll show you the dating system pneumatic use. As you can see here, I don't know if you can see, there's a first 4 digits there. 1346. That means it's 2013 on the 49th week. Well, I thought it was 6, but it's 49. But anyway, we'll show you how to strip one of these lids down. Basically, what you do, if this is on the tub, you just release the latches and lift this off. Underneath here, there's 7 screws. You'll need to get yourself, 1 minute, let me just get this out. Prepared. You need to get yourself a Phillips screwdriver for this, and also one of these, which is a standard screwdriver bit holder that holds, where are they? These kind of bits here. They hold these. They just clip in there. You just need, wherever it goes, you just need the screwdriver. Well, you might need that bit too. Depends. But anyway. So that's the only thing we'll need. We may need a long nose pair of small pliers just to pull the spade connectors off, but normally you can do those by hand. So let's get started with the motor unit. So here's the motor unit. Let's just put my glasses on. Yes, I do have glasses now, so I can see better. So what we want to do is you want to take your Phillips screwdriver and undo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the newer models, this is a Torx screwdriver. So what I'll do first is just undo these. What you may want to do is just have a pot or something ready, just to hold the screws. I've got a old toxic waste here. Just undo all of these, like so. Right, if we turn it upside down, that would be best. Oil. If I haven't said already, we'll be oiling the bearings, motor bearings, both top and bottom, on a twin flow motor. These motor units are from 2006 to present, but some have a motor like this, which are rubbish and whiny, which are the newer machines, which probably won't need oiling. The oil that I'll use is this, which is 3-in-1 multi-purpose oil. Lubricates, cleans and prevents rust. We'll be using that. Very, very good stuff. That is. So we're nearly there. Just got one more screw to do, and then we'll be able to lift this cover off. So, right, this cover just slides off. As you can see, the screws all fall out. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, sorry, I'm missing 5. 5 are missing, so the other one's ran away somewhere. Well, we'll leave that for the minute. I've got plenty of these screws. Let me just move my toolbox out of the way. So, got plenty of those screws. Put that there. So then we should have this main motor cover. Sometimes this part here will stay inside in there like that, but sometimes it doesn't. Then we need to remove this, which is the motor seal at the bottom. Remove the bit of cloth that goes around there, not cloth, material. And then here's your motor. Pull the spade connectors off, like so. And then just remove the rest of the casing to the side. Then we have the motor. This part should just lift off. Sometimes you may have to get a screwdriver on top of the brush and pry it off. And then here's our motor. We'll take this screwdriver here and we'll just undo these. Also, there's spade connectors in here. That's it. There we go. 1, 2. There we go. So they just come off there, like so. So we undo our brackets. 2 screws on the top. So like that. 1 carbon brush comes out. It looks a bit black, but you know. And then the other one should just come out like that. Oops. The other one should just lift out. The carbon brush is a bit low, but you know. Then we need to take our end off our screwdriver, and there should be 1, 2 bolts in here, and they just undo like so. Also, another tool I forgot to mention that we'll probably need is a flat blade screwdriver and a hammer. So we'll just get those now. So, our flat blade screwdriver. We'll just pop this off. Do have to pull it a bit first. So it's just prise it off. What we can do is use a hammer, which we'll just get out now. Box. Go. Smack that off. That just come off here and just whack it like that. There should be a little gap in here. Right, I'll pause for a minute and I'll get this off. So we've got the top part off. We'll just move these screwdrivers here and we'll put our hammer over the back. So here's the top part, that just comes off. There should be a little part in here, quite rusty, put that on there. Quite a lot of crust around the bearing. Here's the bearing on top. Doesn't seem to spin well at all. That's because it's got loads of crust on it. Vacuum mat supplied this motor. This bit should just really pull off. I've never had this trouble before. It's just stuck on here. Just needs pry it off. Right. Just pry that off. going on here, but it seems to be yeah, so I'll just get this off. So I have separated this part of the motor here. Looks quite rusty, unfortunately. Yeah, it definitely looks like it's had water through this at some point. Scrape most of the rubbish off. There we go. So empty this out. So just need to just yeah, it's quite full up of rubbish. So yeah, that would need cleaning out with a hoover, but just remove most of the crap from inside the motor. And now there is a load of rust on top of the bearing in here, which we'll just scrape off. Right, so just get a brush of some sort, maybe a paintbrush. I'll get an old toothbrush, dry toothbrush. Okay. That's it. There you go. Okay, so what we'll do is now we'll get our oil here, and the bearing is right underneath in there. What we have to do is we have to squeeze the oil in there, get our finger and rub it right in there. There we go. And then we'll get a cloth, an old cloth, we'll just damp up all the oil around. Okay. And then what we'll also do is drop some on the top bearing. So, right. Go. Okay, that should do it. So that's the stuff cleared out. Alright, and now we need to put this back together. A lot of crap stuck on this. Ouch. Alright, there we go. Go. Right, and then we want to balance this part on the top and plug it on. So, go, just there you go, that will go on the top there. Just got to give it a few whacks with the hammer. Like so, you see loads of crap coming out. That's it, and then another whack. That's it. And then that should be on there. Just feed our bolts in there so that they sink right down. So like so. Click our feet on. And they should screw right in, and they'll pull the top bit down with it. So there we go. tough, so fill that with oil. That should flow. So leave that, it should work fine. Put our carbon brushes back in. Right, so okay, put that in. We'll put our holders on. Here we go. If you guys want any more other guides on how to fix your Henrys, then please let me know what you want, and well, whatever other vac it is, and what you want. But I want that you need fixing on there. Have a look. This bugger's being a pain. Let's just take that out again. Just put that back in. There we go. There we go. Brush number 1 in. And brush number 2. There we go. There we go. Right, where's my cap for me oil? No, I've lost my cap for me oil. Oh, look, here it is. Pop that on there. Put out. What's his name's on? Spade connectors on the brushes. And there we go. So, there you go. And then what we want to do, put all this over here. We want to get our top motor unit with top motor seal up there. Get our motor, put our seal on here, and then bung this in here. So put a small one on there and big one. And that all just plugs in there. Tuck your wires in, like so, and then we'll get our bit of whatever this stuff is. Make sure that's in there properly. That's it, like that. Get our whatever this gear is. Shove it right in there. Also, put this back, which is a PCB blanker. Our motor surrounds piece that just tucks in, pushes down, goes on there, and our motor cover just slides back in place like so. Our cord restraint is in place, screws out, goes in there. There's another to all my beds. Boom, boom, and need another screw which I have in the drawer. So, there you go. Now we'll do this up. Well, it probably will work. Again, so And there we go. There's your numatic most units. Oiled up. So I hope this video helped. Please comment if you have a vacuum that needs repairing and you want to show how I go across repairing it. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And yeah, bye for now.